Hey you guys, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jamie. I have a somewhat of a variety of videos on my channel, like lifestyle, mommy cleaning videos, but one of my passions are planners. So I've been loving making these Plan With Me videos, and I hope you enjoy them as well. So for the year of 2019, I have been using the Happy Planner. I have also been throwing in bullet journal pages. Happy Planner actually makes these dot grid pages that you can add right into your planner and add whatever you want to them. If you go back to some of my previous Plan With Me videos, you will see that I will draw on some of these dot grid pages and then add stickers and stuff to my weekly spreads. However, the beauty of this planner and the way that I have it set up, when I have a really busy month like I did leading up to August, I don't always have time to sit down and draw on the dot grid pages. So I am able to just go into my weekly spreads, add some stickers, and be done with it, and it goes much quicker than when I have to draw out pages with the bullet journal spreads. So I'm just going through, this is an older sticker pack that kind of just fell apart, but I just go through and I'm trying to use these ones up since they aren't part of like a full pack anymore. And I'm just going through, I just have a couple sticker packs and throwing stickers on my pages. Then I realized before I got too far into the stickers, I really wanted to kind of separate some sections out in my weekly spread. This way I have some sort of designated area for each category. I'm doing to-do, home, meals, and workout. I was definitely winging it this month, moving stickers around after I already put them down, just to get really the feel I wanted, because this was something new that I was trying.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah.
I think this is really funny, but I used to actually hold off on using stickers because I would just love them so much. I didn't want to use them up. I'd always be like, oh, I just want to save them for something really special. Then I was never using my stickers, and I thought that was kind of silly. So I've really learned to just like really enjoy the stickers that I have and use them because I could just buy more. Do any of you do that? Do you hold on to the stickers that you just really love, or do you go for it and use them up?
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now fall for you repeatedly.
So now I'm throwing these pages back into my planner and moving over to the beginning of the month. Now I love the color scheme of this month except for this purple and blue dotted divider. Most of the months I feel like don't clash this much in this planner, but this one was really bugging me. So I just kind of ignored it and went ahead and matched my stickers up on this front page of August to match with my weekly spreads. I do love this little area to write down goals for the month and to write down little notes that maybe I want to remember for the entire month, rather than if I write them down in the week, then I might not go back and it can kind of get lost in the shuffle. And one of my goals for the month is to reach 800 subscribers. I definitely appreciate every single one of you that have subscribed and watched my videos. It's so fun and I feel like I'm being so much more creative than just in my regular life. And I can't wait to see what the next year or so bring. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Yeah.